super excited here. I have two very popular sun screens. Both brands sent these to me so I could try them out. Korean sunscare, whoa, I'm adding skincare and sunscreen. Korean sunscreen is very popular. I guess skincare in general right now is very popular. So I wanted to kind of compare these head to head. They are obviously different and unique, but they do have some similarities. So if you're looking at one or the other, you probably are seeing other things in the market. I think it's just helpful seeing like an unbiased view of a comparison so that you can hopefully make the correct choice. I do have some notes here. I might have to read off the packages. I just want to make sure I'm not mixing them up. So we have Round Lab, the Birch Juice, and then we have Innisfree. Again, hopefully I'm saying those correctly. Both are Korean inspired brands or created in Korea, which is super cool. This one is a 50 SPF, and then this exact variant is a 45. I think they have multiple variations, so you could probably get more comparable, but these are pretty spot on. 45 versus 50 SPF broad spectrum. And they both are at least this size. Again, there's going to be multiple sizes. This is 1.69 fluid ounces, which I love this size just because you can easily throw this in travel if you're going to the airport, having something, you know, small and handy. They are different size bottles, but they are the same amount of product inside. So that's something to note. I did want to also talk about active ingredients. They have some similarities here, so I can read these off. Please know I might say the ingredients wrong. I'm not an expert here, but I know active ingredients are super important for sunscreen. So we'll start with the Round Lab first. So it's Avobens 2.7%, homosalate 13.5%, and osasalate 4.5%. Again, I'm probably saying those wrong. I'm sorry, but that is what the Round Lab is, where the Innisfree, it's actually kind of similar, but slightly different. So they have avobenzone, I think that's how you say it, here too, but it's 2.5%, homosalate 7%, and osatilsalate 4.3%. Maybe I'll hold these up close to the camera just so you can see them side by side, if I can get this to focus. So something to know, again, kind of a similar makeup, but they are different, and what makes them unique and formulated is specific to the brand. So I hope this gives you some context. If you're looking at either of those, let's actually do a quick, just like back of the hand skin test. So we'll do the Round Lab, a little bit there, exactly what you think when you think sunscreen. No strong smell or anything like that. I know sometimes sunscreen can just smell like a pina colada sometimes. And then here's the Innisfree. Has a small scent, but nothing strong. It just smells clean. So this is them side by side. We'll go ahead and rub these in. Almost instantly absorbs. And I don't think you'd really get a white cast with either of these, which is nice. So they're not greasy, they're not sticky. Obviously, it probably will take a second to absorb into the skin, but if you are looking at any of these sunscreens, hopefully this just gives you some information of comparing the two, and hopefully it will maybe help make your decision if you're leaning one way or the other, or you could always test both out.